Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson in the Arabic language course for beginners. In this lesson we will learn diacritical marks, which we call it التشكيل. Diacritical marks are very important for non-native speakers. It helps them to read and write correctly and will make their pronunciation as native speakers. The first one is فتحة, which looks like a small tilted line, and we put it above the letter. Second mark is ضمة, which looks like the letter waw, but it's even much smaller, and also we put it above the letter. Third mark is كسرة, which looks exactly the shape as فتحة, but we put it below the letter. This is the difference between them. The last mark is Sukoon, which looks like circle. Also, we put it above the letter. Let's start with the difference between فتحة and the letter alif. Actually, I put them together because they are very similar in the pronunciation. But the فتحة give us short vowel. Meanwhile, alif give us long vowel. For example, if I have the letter ba plus فتحة, which I will put it above the letter, it will give us short vowel, the sound of ba, as in the word بطة, which means duck. But if I have the letter ba attached to the letter alif, it will give us long vowel, and it sound as ba, as in the word bab, which means door. So, as you notice, the big difference between them, ba with فتحة sounds ba. Ba with alif sounds ba. This rule will be applied to all other letters. I mean, instead of ba, you can put jim or sin or any Arabic alphabet we already took. It will be sharing the same thing, short vowel with فتحة, long vowel with alif. Now, the difference between ضمة and the letter waw. They are sharing the shape and even the pronunciation, they are very similar. For example, again, if I have the letter ba with the ضمة, which will be put above, so it will be short vowel, and it sounds bu, as in the word برتقال, which means orange. But if I have the letter ba is attached to the waw, which is considered as a long vowel, it will sound as boo, as in the word booma, which means an owl. So, again, the big difference between them is with the short vowel as bu and long vowel as boo. The third mark, which is كسرة. Now we will see the difference between كسرة and the letter ya. Also, I combine them together because they are sharing the pronunciation. For example, if I have ba with كسرة, which I will put it below the letter, it will give us short vowel, and the sound will be bi, as in the word بطيخ, which means watermelon. But if I have the letter ba attached to the letter ya, it will give us long vowel, and the sound will be b, as in the word abi, which means my father. So the big difference between them is ba with kasra give us short vowel b, ba with ya will give us long vowel b. Now the last mark is Sukoon. Sukoon is considered as a circle, and it has no vowel sound. Once you have Sukoon above the letter, for example, I have ba with the Sukoon above, it will give it no vowel sound. It will be consonant, as in the word khubz. Did you notice? Ba, I didn't give it any tashkeel. so it will be silent. خبز, which means bread. Let's move now to a new kind of mark, which we call it الشدة. It looks like the letter W in English, and it might be شدة with فتحة, or شدة with ضمة, or شدة with كسرة. It depends on the word. Let's start with the first type of شدة. الشدة المفتوحة. What does it mean? It means شدة with فتحة. As you can see, first I put the شدة, then فتحة will be above, and both of them are above the letter. My first example is the word جنة, which means paradise. The letter noon is the one who has شدة with فتحة. So I will say consonant noon followed by noon with فتحة on top. So this is originally the word, but you need to notice I never pronounce it this way or write it this way. It's جنة, but I should say جنة. So as you can see here, silent noon followed by noon with فتحة that give us this noon with شدة and فتحة on top. So you will say جنة, emphasizing on the letter noon with the شدة. Another example is the word تفاح, which means apples. Again, if you can see, this is the letter fa that has شدة with فتحة on top. So it's originally made out of consonant fa followed by fa with فتحة on top. So it's made out of two syllables. تفاح. I will say تفاح. This is the way to pronounce it correctly. Now, the second type of الشدة is الشدة المضمومة, which means شدة with ضمة. As you can see here, there is شدة above the letter and there is ضمة above them both. Let's have some examples. The word أحب, I like. The letter باء has شدة with ضمة. And if I want to break it down, it will be consonant ba followed by ba with ضمة on top. So it's originally أحب, أحب, emphasizing on the letter ba. Another example for شدة with ضمة is the word قط, قط, which means cat. This is the letter ta, has شدة with ضمة. It's made out of consonant ta followed by ta with ضمة on top. So it's like قط. But I don't say it this way, I say قط. The last type of شدة is الشدة المكسورة. I mean شدة with كسرة. Here is the شدة will be above the letter, but the كسرة will be below the letter, or it can be under the شدة directly. Let's have some examples. The first example is أمي, which means my mother. The letter ميم has شدة and there is كسرة below. So it's telling us this is شدة مكسورة. If I want to break it down, it will be consonant ميم followed by ميم with the كسرة below. So أمي, أمي as one part. Another example, the word معلم, which means a teacher. Here is the letter lam has شدة and also كسرة below the شدة. So we will say this is شدة مكسورة. So to break it down, it's made out of consonant lam followed by lam with كسرة below. If I want to read it this way, معلم. The correct way to say it is معلم, emphasizing on the letter lam again. Now we will have some words that are including our alphabet in addition to the diacritical marks. First word, أسد. which means lion. It's made out of ألف with فتحة أ, سين with فتحة س, and دال. أسد. أسد. The second word is بطيخ, which means watermelon. This is very important word because it's covering most of the marks. I have باء with كسرة, which is pronounced B. Then طا with شدة and كسرة, which you will pronounce it طي. But then I have ياء that will make it long vowel. So you will say بطي. Then the letter خاء بطيخ. The third word is تفاح, which means apples. I am starting with the letter تا with ضمة, two. Then فاء with شدة and فتحة, fa. Then attach it to the ألف that will make it longer. You will say تفا. Then the last letter ح. تفاح. Another examples, the word تلفاز, which means television. It's made تا with كسرة T. Then لام with Sukoon, as we said it's silent, it will be L. Then فاء with فتحة fa. But it's attached to the long vowel ألف fa. Then the letter زاي. تلفاز. Another word لعبة, which means toy. We will start لام with ضمة لو. Then عين with سكون and باء with فتحة با. The last letter we call it تا مربوطة and we pronounce it as a. This is the word لعبة. The third word is جمل, means camel. It's made out of 3 letters. جيم with فتحة ج. Then ميم with فتحة ما. The last letter لام. جمل. Next, the word حصان, which means horse. حاء with كسرة حي. صاد with فتحة ص. But you need to notice it's followed with the ألف, the long vowel. So you will say صا. حصا. Then نون حصان. The word خروف, which means sheep. خاء with فتحة خ. راء with ضمة رو. Then واو, to make it longer it will be خرو. Then فا. خروف. Another word دب, which means bear. دال with ضمة دو, and then باء with شدة, you emphasize, you will say دب. The last 3 words are ثوم, which means garlic. ثاء with ضمة ثو, but it's followed with the واو, the long vowel, so you will make it ثو. Then ميم ثوم. رجل, which means man. راء with فتحة را. جيم with ضمة جو. Then لام رجل. And the last word is خيار, which means cucumber. خاء with كسرة خي. Then ياء with فتحة يا. But it's followed with the long vowel ألف, so you will make it يا. خيا. And the last letter را. خيار. That's all for our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it and I will meet you in the next lesson. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and until next time, salam.